Hello, my name is Brooke. Welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. And today is Saturday. I haven't really done much because the past 2 or 3 days I've been really active and my body hurts. So I kind of slept in and kind of just chilled out, edited my video from yesterday this morning and uploaded it. So it is actually very nice and beautiful outside after a whole week of nothing but rain. So we are gonna go to Sardis Lake, which is about 15 or 20 minutes away from Oxford. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna use my new hiking boots that I got for Christmas. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you along with me because I obviously don't have to worry about filming or like photo releases or anything like that because we're gonna be in nature by ourselves. So that's what we're gonna do today. Follow me on my nature walk today. I'm super excited. I'm ready to get some sun and enjoy nature. Maybe we will see some cool animals. I hopefully think that we will see some birds. I love birds. Birds are my favorite kinds of animals. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm at the trail. I actually have no idea how long this trail is. And it says it closes at sunset, so I have roughly 30 minutes to finish. So the wood is actually super wet. I don't know how long this bridge is, but it's a nice little marsh. You hear the birds chirping, it's really nice. Glad I did this today, actually. I haven't been out in Sardis in like months. I feel good. It's a really nice day, not too cold. Everything is really pretty and serene. Birds are chirping. It's really nice. Oh! Is that a bunny? It's a bunny! Oh, you can't see him. We saw a bunny! Or at least I saw it. I have no idea if you did. I love bunnies. Okay, so apparently that was the bridge trail. Pretty cool. I'm by the road now, and I think my car is that way, but I have the option to go back to my car, which I've only actually been walking for like 7.5 minutes, so I think I'm gonna go to the ridge trail. Hell out of breath. That was a really uphill trek. Now I'm about to go downhill. It's really pretty up here. I'm enjoying myself. Okay, so I think I took a wrong turn at some point because this is where I came out, and back there is where the trail ends, so I don't really know what happened here. Let's go up there and see what we missed. So like, the only kind of markings that these trails have are like the red and yellow things on the trees. I don't know how to follow them correctly apparently, but I don't know how I'm supposed to get from over there to here. I guess I just didn't do something right. Oh well. Still got cardio in for the day. Did some uphill, did some downhill. Did good. Sun's not setting yet. I should make it to my car before sunset. Whew. We did it. Okay, so that was a nice little 30-minute walk. I'm heading back to my car now. I feel good. I'm glad that the weather was actually good enough for me to do this. Because like I said, it's been raining all week. And I feel like I've been cooped up in my house besides like going out to classes and stuff. So I'm glad that I actually got to come out here. And it's only like 30 minutes from Oxford. So not too bad of a drive. Especially for how pretty everything was. And we saw a bunny. I love bunnies. So I'm going to drive back home now and enjoy the rest of my night. So, as you can see, it is face mask night. I am currently using a 2-pack set. The first mask is a bubble mask that I'm doing right now. And then the second is like this rose mud mask. So you let this one dry and then just wash it off. And then your skin is beautiful. Because as you can see, over the past few videos, my skin has not been beautiful. So I usually like to do a mask either once or twice a week, depending on like how bad my skin is. All in all, today was a very good day. I enjoyed going out to Sardis, taking a hike. I saw a bunny. I love bunnies. And I got to watch the sunset and kind of meditate out there for a little bit. So it was a good day. Tomorrow is Sunday, and that is weigh-in day. Kind of excited. I'm ready to see what my progress is. I know you guys are probably excited too, because that's what this channel's about. I'm going to go wash this off my face now and put the other one on. So that's all I really have for today. Alright, so it is Sunday morning, and I haven't eaten anything or drank anything, and it is weigh-in day. I was gonna live stream this, but apparently you have to activate it, and I didn't activate it until 7:30 last night. So 7:30 is pretty late in the day because you want to weigh yourself first thing in the morning to get like the most accurate reading, because if you like eat and stuff throughout the day, your weight obviously goes up, and then like once you go to bed, everything kind of like digests, and so your truest weight is in the morning. So first things first, I use this scale. I got it from Amazon. It is by Fit Index, and it actually connects to your phone. There is an app for it. You turn your Bluetooth on, it's already connected, and as you can see, I have not weighed myself today, and it's really cool because it even tells you like your weight, your BMI, your body fat. On the 2nd of January, I weighed in at 255. So, and I've been weighing myself kind of daily because, and I know you're not supposed to do that, but the official weigh-in is today. I'm going to be weighing in every Sunday. Next time it will be live, I promise. So let's go ahead and weigh in today. Alright, let's do this. First week down. Alright, it is currently like going to my Bluetooth, or to my phone right now. And that is the noise it makes when it is registered. So, today I weighed in at 250.2. So, that is an overall weight loss of like 4.8. Not bad. So, good week. I'm going to be doing a bar class tomorrow. And then Tuesday, I think, is yoga. Wednesday is Pilates. And then I'm going out of town Thursday. But there's like some fitnessy stuff that I can go that is close to home. I'll take you on that. Hopefully it's not rainy and disgusting this week. So, pretty happy with my results this week. Glad that I actually accomplished something. Now I'm gonna go make some breakfast and start the Sunday vlog. I'm sorry that I had to like lump this in with my Saturday vlog, but I wanted to make sure that I gave you my weigh-in on Sundays because I will be doing the weigh-in every Sunday. Alright, so that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, comment down below how your weight loss is going,